Imagine savory sweet beef melting in your mouth, perfectly tender onions, and that rich umami broth soaking into steaming rice. In just 15 minutes, we'll recreate fast food chain style gyudon using the right cut of beef. Here's exactly how it's done. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google gyudon space so that you find me. First things first, let's cut half an onion from pole to pole into wedges like this, and gently break those layers apart. Now for the most important part of gyudon, the broth. Add 300 ml of dashi stock, 2 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1.5 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of Japanese light soy sauce, which is usukuchi shoyu, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of grated garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese style chicken bouillon powder to a medium saucepan. Mix everything together over medium heat. If you don't have Japanese light soy sauce, just same amount of regular Japanese soy sauce with a pinch of salt will work just fine. Speaking of dashi, gyudon is wonderfully forgiving. If you're looking for a more sophisticated flavor, make your own. Busy but still want quality, high quality dashi packets are your friend. If you want an authentic fast food flavor, try instant dashi granules. Use whatever fits your lifestyle. You might wonder why I use chicken bouillon powder, but that's how I recreated that slightly junky flavor from those gyudon chains. Now add those onion wedges to our simmering broth and bring everything to a gentle boil. Once it's bubbling away, lower the heat slightly to maintain a nice steady simmer. Let those onions soften to your liking, about 5 minutes or so. They should be tender but still have a little bite to them. Now comes the star of our show, 150 grams of thinly sliced beef. In Japan, the big chains like Sukiya don't actually use fancy Japanese beef for their gyudon. They typically use imported short plate beef from places like US, Canada, and Australia, so no need to break the bank here. Whatever cut you choose, short plate is traditional, but flank or skirt steak works. The key is getting the sliced paper thin, about 1 to 3 millimeters thick. If you're buying pre-sliced beef, look for packages labeled for hotpot or shabu-shabu at Asian supermarkets, or ask your butcher for shaved beef. Add your thinly sliced beef to the pan and separate the pieces as you add them, otherwise you end up with one big clump of beef. Simmer just until the beef changes color, about 1 to 2 minutes. You definitely don't want to overcook the beef, it needs just enough heat to change color while staying tender. In fact, you can remove it from the heat when it's about 90% done, as the residual heat will finish the job. Divide your freshly cooked Japanese short grain rice among serving bowls. Arrange the beef and onions on top of the fluffy rice. Then scoop 1 to 2 tablespoons of the flavorful broth over each portion. If you want to duck up, you can even add more if you like. Finally, garnish with your favorite toppings. Red pickled ginger and shitimi togarashi are classic choices. And there you have it. Fast food chain style gyudon in less time than it takes to get delivery. Enjoy. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipes on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my Donburi playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.